Welcome back, everyone. Sean Stevens here again with Metroplex Mortgage Services and another USDA Loan Pro video quick tip. How do you process and close a USDA loan for a manufactured home? In our prior post, we discussed the recent USDA announcement and expansion of their manufactured home program, USDA minimum property requirements, and manufactured home foundation requirements. In today's short video, we will break down and explain a recommended approach when processing USDA loans for manufactured homes. However, before we get started, please take advantage and download our Manufactured Home Blueprint for Success with the link below. This free guide is designed to help walk you through the manufactured home loan process step by step. It is a great educational resource for both homebuyers and realtors alike. As in previous posts, our discussion today will be focused on existing manufactured homes. If you do have questions regarding a new construction USDA manufactured home loan, please reach out to our dedicated team so we can assist. Because USDA manufactured home loan requirements will need both an appraisal and a certification that the foundation meets the Permanent Foundations Guide for manufactured housing, we recommend the following approach when processing USDA manufactured home loans. As with any mortgage, obtaining a proper qualification is critical to future success. With that being said, because USDA manufactured home loan guidelines require an appraisal, structural engineer report, and potential retrofit costs for the foundation, this increases the upfront out-of-pocket expenses, and understanding how these connect with each other is crucial. Homebuyers and realtors are advised to work with a USDA-approved lender that is experienced with all phases of the manufactured home loan qualifying process. Next, once the sales contract has been received, and your loan application has begun, ordering the appraisal is one of the next steps to happen. By ordering the USDA manufactured home appraisal before any engineering reports, this allows all parties to be aware of the evaluation, and if the appraiser makes comments about any other property-related concerns that affect USDA manufactured home minimum property requirements. Knowing that you have the value and appraisal approved before ordering engineering inspections and incurring any retrofit cost will provide an additional safeguard in the transaction. Now, once the appraisal has been approved, the next step would be to order the structural engineer report for the foundation certification. After that has been received, further review is required in order to confirm if any other upgrades or modernizations to the foundation are needed through the process referred to as retrofitting. As mentioned, retrofitting is a term used for the process of upgrading or modernizing the existing foundation to meet USDA manufactured home loan minimum property requirements. Please understand that it is possible the manufactured home may have an existing foundation that meets minimum foundation standards. If that is the case, then a retrofit is not a required step in the process. Also remember that even if the existing manufactured home foundation meets state and local requirements, it still must meet HUD handbook guidelines. After the engineer's report is received, upgrades and improvements may be required in order for the foundation to conform to all applicable standards. If any upgrades are required, this is the point where the retrofit process begins, and since there are costs involved, it is important to discuss these potential expenses up front with both homebuyers and sellers. In summary, I know we've covered a lot today, but remember to not get overwhelmed by the details. If you have any questions about USDA manufactured home loans, remember to contact our dedicated team of professionals and let our experience go to work for you. Now, the unfortunate truth is that most lenders can't even spell USDA, but in our office, we eat, breathe, and sleep USDA loans. Whether you have a transaction trouble or are trying to maximize your qualifying ability, just call, text, or email to discuss your scenario so we can show you the Metroplex difference. As always, I want everyone to make it a great day and look forward to seeing you right here for the next tip of the week.